Hi guys, this is Jana Ilagan and welcome to Jan's Kitchen. Today, we'll be making some spicy meringues because we all love a good twist, right? Okay, with this, y'all could also clown others, sort of, cause who would have thought that meringues could be spicy? Anyways, before you start, you have to clean your countertops, wear the correct PPE, which are the chef jacket, hairnet, apron, hand towel, and gloves, which are optional depending on what you're doing, and make sure your hands are clean with or without the gloves. Another reminder is that you should keep your nails trimmed because underneath those disgusting nails are some dirt, some residue, and we don't want that in our food that you're gonna be serving to other people and you're gonna be eating yourself. Wait, that sounds wrong. Afterwards, you also have to clean and dry your utensils, which are very important in this recipe, as a single drop of water in your bowl or on your hand mixer, the whisk thingy, can ruin the process of forming the meringues. Onto the ingredients, you have 1 large egg white, 1 16 teaspoon cream of tartar, or if you don't have that, you can substitute it with lemon juice. Every 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar is equal to 1 teaspoon lemon juice. And then you have a dash of salt, 1/8 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon grounded cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of grounded ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of grounded black pepper, and a dash of grounded cloves. On to the steps, we have to preheat the oven first to 105 degrees Celsius, or if you're using Fahrenheit, it would be 221 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know why you're using Fahrenheit, we're in Qatar, I don't think that makes sense. Anyways, next is to cover a large baking sheet with parchment paper and secure it with a bit of the meringue or masking tape. You can prepare it now, but I let mine dry first so you'll see that part later on. After that is when the actual meringue making begins. We first place the egg white, cream of tartar, and the salt in a medium bowl. Beat with a mixer in medium speed until soft peaks form. When that happens, you should increase the speed now to high and gradually add the sugar until stiff peaks. Add the grounded cinnamon and the remaining ingredients until blended. Afterwards, spoon the batter into a pastry or piping bag with a large star tip, which is optional, and pipe 30 mounds onto the prepared baking sheet. For me, I use the excess meringue because it's easier and I don't trust masking tape and oven. I don't think that works. Anyways, then place the baking sheet in the oven and bake the meringues at 105 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours. Turn the oven off and cool for another 1.5 hours or until it's dried. While waiting for it to finish, you can start washing the utensils you used and clean the countertops. Or you can use this time to dance and watch some TikTok.
Just wanna be a boy.
honestly super treasure or we ain't friends no more. When it's done, carefully remove the meringues from the paper. If you do that, if you know it's done when it's not sticking to it, like it just pops off right off. Anyways, we're done. That's it. That's how you bake spicy meringues. I hope you like this first video and please comment on anything I should improve. Don't forget to subscribe and remember, welcome to Jan's Kitchen!